Hey there, YouTube land, Brimstone667 here. So, I got a question for all you other Dodge Charger owners out there. Now, I have a 2010 Dodge Charger, and it's my first new car to me anyway. My new car anyway, and I've had for quite a while now. But I'm just wondering, do any of your guys' cars like instrument clusters like just turn off by itself? Like now, the shift indicator I've never had since I bought the car. But just today, um, my mileage indicator, I don't know if you can see the mileage, you can just barely see it. Yeah. But, it's hit, shoot, I can't see it at all now. But it's hit, 200,000 plus miles. But do any of your guys' indicators go off like that? And what's the fix for that? Because, I don't have a clue what I'm doing with new cars. That's why I usually have somebody else do it. Um, yeah, so this is just a quick question for you other Dodge Charger owners out there. Now, I love the car. It's been awesome. It's done everything I wanted to do. Just, a few things here and there. My gas gauges stopped working, usual electric stuff. But what about for the indicators? Like, the mileage and, the door jar comes on and off, stuff like that. What's the fix for that? Should I just see about getting a new dash panel, like altogether? Because it is the police car, so that's why it does have the certified focus, certified, thing on there. But should I get a new dash cluster, or what should I do? Is it like some kind of wiring in there, or what's going on? Because yeah, you can just barely see the mileage from time to time, and of course, and like I said, the shift indicator that's right here, it's never been on since I got it. So yeah. Anyway, just a quick question for you guys. Just I'm baffled right now. New stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. So, um, what would you guys do? I really want to know. Anyway, thank you for your time. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.